Ever wondered how to make authentic Korean-style pork belly nachos at home? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to uncover the secrets of this fusion dish that combines the crunch of nachos with the rich, savory flavors of Korean cuisine. First, we need to gather our ingredients. For the pork belly, you'll need 1 pound of pork belly, sliced into thin strips. The marinade is a blend of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of grated ginger, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of gochujang, which is a Korean red chili paste. You'll also need a tablespoon of vegetable oil for cooking. The nachos require tortilla chips, shredded mozzarella cheese, chopped kimchi, sliced green onions, chopped cilantro, and sesame seeds for garnish. Sour cream or Greek yogurt can be served on the side if you like. To start, combine the soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and gochujang in a bowl to create the marinade. Place the pork belly slices in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them, ensuring they're well coated. Cover the dish and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. For the best flavor, leave it overnight. When you're ready to cook, heat up the vegetable oil in a skillet and add the marinated pork belly slices. They should sizzle and brown, caramelizing on each side in about 3 to 4 minutes. Once they're done, set them aside. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Arrange your tortilla chips on the sheet, then sprinkle them with shredded mozzarella cheese. Layer the cooked pork belly slices, chopped kimchi, sliced green onions, and chopped cilantro on top. Bake the nachos in the preheated oven for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove them from the oven and garnish with sesame seeds. Serve the nachos hot with sour cream or Greek yogurt on the side if you prefer. There you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making authentic Korean-style pork belly nachos. With the perfect balance of crunchy, cheesy, and spicy, this dish brings a unique twist to the humble nacho. Try it at home and enjoy the flavors of Korea in every bite.